This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Gmail app or a browser on your phone. Enter the email address you can't access and tap Forgot Password. Make sure your device is online and that you have access to the recovery phone number or email tied to the account. You do this now so verification options appear quickly. If prompted, choose the most accessible recovery method first, because that reduces steps. Otherwise, select Try another way to reveal alternate verification methods. Once done with the initial prompt, Gmail shows verification choices. Choose SMS code, recovery email, prompt on a signed-in device, or authenticator. If you pick SMS or email, enter the exact numeric code you receive. Copy it carefully because one typo blocks progress. If a device prompt appears, approve it immediately and watch for confirmation. If you use two-step verification, find a backup code or open your authenticator app. These steps confirm you are the account owner and unlock password reset options. Now create a new password that's unique and memorable for you, enter it twice to confirm, and make sure it meets length and character requirements. After resetting, sign back in on all your devices and update any apps that use the old password. If recovery fails, try the account recovery form or wait 24 to 48 hours and retry. Google may temporarily restrict resets for security. One key troubleshooting tip: check that your recovery phone or email is accessible and that messages aren't filtered to spam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.